Welcome to Sprout's second video about sustainable gardening in an urban or suburban setting. In our first video, we showed different kinds of sustainable gardens. Today we want to give you more detail about sustainable gardening and addressing some of the concerns and benefits of gardening. Sustainable gardening is basically gardening in a way that does not harm the earth and its inhabitants. In an urban or suburban setting, that just means using methods that don't regularly use chemicals in the garden, like fertilizers and plant foods. There are organic and natural ways of fertilizing and feeding your vegetable and flower plants. Living in an urban or suburban area can appear to put limits on doing a garden. First can be time, specifically feeling like there isn't enough time to plant and maintain a garden. The second can be space, or the lack of space. And the third limitation could be cost, and the idea that it could be expensive to start a garden. But gardening doesn't have to mean an in-the-ground garden. It can be containers, pallets, compact squares, or even hay bales. It just depends on the small space you have available. The cost of a container that contains 4 to 6 plants can cost less than $20, including buying a 30-pound bag of dirt. That same container can produce over $60 in fresh vegetables. By having a garden, large or small, the benefits can add up. Eating fresh vegetables is better nutrition. You can control the veggies in your garden, so you are in control of what you eat. Knowing that your veggies don't have chemical pesticides, fertilizers, and plant foods can be a comfort. But what can really make a difference is the cost savings. You can buy 4 organic tomato plants for less than $20, and out of those plants, you can get over 2 dozen tomatoes. Or you can buy 4 non-organic individual tomatoes for $5. Buying 2 dozen tomatoes at $5 is going to be $30 for 24 tomatoes, with no more on the horizon. I hope we were able to dispel some of the top 3 reasons why gardening in an urban or suburban setting can be done in little time, little cost, and high reward. Thank you for watching episode 2 of the Sprout Sustainable Gardening series. For more information on sustainable gardening, follow us on Facebook, Twitter,